Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page on Wix. To begin, simply log into your Wix account and select the option to create a brand new site. You can then choose to start with a blank template for complete creative freedom or pick a pre-designed landing page layout to accelerate your process. It is essential to clearly define your landing page's primary goal, whether it is collecting email addresses, promoting a new product, or driving sign-ups for an event. This clarity will guide your design choices effectively. Now, let's dive into designing your landing page layout. Wix offers an incredibly intuitive drag-and-drop editor, allowing you to easily arrange all your elements. You can add compelling text, high-quality images, and engaging videos to capture your audience's attention. Remember to customize colors, fonts, and backgrounds to perfectly match your brand's identity. Most importantly, ensure your call-to-action button stands out prominently, guiding visitors toward their next step. Every effective landing page needs specific elements to succeed. First, craft a compelling headline that immediately grabs your visitors' attention and communicates your main message. Next, write concise body copy that highlights the key benefits and value propositions of your offer, keeping it focused. Crucially, include a clear, singular call to action, or CTA, to guide visitors toward the desired action. If your goal is to collect information, add a simple lead capture form with minimal fields. Before going live, it is vital to optimize and publish your page correctly. Ensure your landing page is fully optimized for mobile responsiveness, looking great on all devices from desktops to smartphones. Next, connect your custom domain to give your landing page a professional and trustworthy appearance. Always review all content for accuracy and test every link thoroughly to avoid broken experiences. Finally, publish your landing page and begin tracking its performance to measure your success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.